Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Psychic Sun Tarot. This reading is going to be for Aquarius. This reading is going to be for Sagittarius. This is going to be your love reading. We'll see what's coming up for you, Sagittarius. We will see your person's current energies, your current energies, and we'll see what's happening in your love life. I'll shuffle it properly. I've not done it. Let's see what's happening. I think this is the first card. Okay. Four of Swords. I think this card. I'll take the Chariot. Okay, I've got one more card. That is Page of Pentacles. Let's see what else do we have. Okay, we have got the Six of Wands. These are many of them. I'll shuffle it. Okay, I think I've got some. I'll take all. One is Page of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, Seven of Cups, Ten of Cups. We'll take one last card. Okay, this card had to come out. Knight of Cups. Let's see, what do we have? Three of Pentacles. Okay, this is at the bottom of this deck. Just a sec, Sagittarius. Guys, keep in mind that this is going to be a general reading. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. Okay, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest. At the end, we will see some love messages also from this deck. We'll see what are your person's feeling, what is it that they think about you. So these are the love messages. We'll see this at the end. So let's see, guys, what's happening is we have the Four of Swords, the Chariot, Page of Pentacles, Six of Wands, Page of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, Seven of Cups, Ten of Cups, Knight of Cups. Guys, give me a second. Okay, guys, Sagittarius, as far as your person's feelings are concerned, I feel that this person may have withdrawn from this relationship with you. Some of you, I literally feel that this person is somebody who is not talking to you, or this is somebody who was not talking to you. Okay, I still see we have the Four of Swords energy, so I certainly feel that this person is still not talking to you. For some of you, this person may have returned already or is going to return now. Okay, I see this person coming back to you. Now, why is this person not talking to you? You know, guys, I feel that this person got carried away with somebody else in the past. Okay, this person was involved with somebody else. This person was involved with somebody else, because of which this person had neglected you, ignored you, and this person has realized their mistake. And I feel that this person is coming back to you. Okay, this person is coming. This person is leaving somebody for you for sure, because we have the Three of Pentacles here. We have the Chariot here, Two of Pentacles. This person was juggling between two people for sure. And this person has chosen you. Maybe it's quite possible that this person, if you were in a dating phase, this person had two options. Okay? This person was trying to explore somebody else, but they could not get along with this person. This person has made up their mind, because for this person, you are the one for them. They see marriage with you. Six of Wands, Page of Pentacles. This person sees marriage with you. This person sees a family with you. They want to have children with you. This person views you as their ultimate happiness. Okay, so this person has realized that they were investing their time and efforts on a wrong person in the past. You must have noticed that your person may have either withdrawn or you were not in touch with each other, different for different of you. But I do see this energy of separation, not talking to each other. Now, for some of you, this was in the past. For some of you, it is still there. And the reason was this person was, getting attracted to somebody else, or this person was exploring somebody else. See, this person has put in a lot of thoughts. This person was overthinking about you. This person has come to a conclusion that you are the one for them. This person regrets for the mistake that they have done. This person is somebody who wants to come and apologize. So this person is not happy without you. They may show, they may not show. This person has realized that you are like a jewel to this person. You are somebody. It is very difficult for this person to find a person like you. You are, look at this, what is this person seeing you as? This person sees you as a victory. They want to win you. This person has been juggling you with somebody else, but this person has made up their mind. This person has made up their mind and they have realized that you are the one for them. This person is like, I think this person is being haunted by your thoughts. You know what, guys? I don't know why I feel that this person is somebody who has realized your value after being away from you. You know, this person was with somebody else, but they have realized that there is none who can match you. This person is somebody, if this person had blocked you in the past, they are going to unblock you. If this person had blocked you, very soon you will see that this person has unblocked you, or expect a message or a call. This person will try to talk to you, maybe indirectly, I don't know, but this person is going to come and please you. They will do something so that, you know, they can get closer to you. They want to get close to you. It's like they miss all the good times that they have had with you in the past. This person wants to bring all the good times back. It's like this person has had some good memories with you and they want to bring all those memories back. They want to relive those moments that they've had with you. Okay, for some of you, I feel that this person, for some of you, I feel that this person feels that you have an option. There is somebody else who may have entered your life and this person feels that you have two options. Okay, that is also there. This person fears losing you, guys. Okay, for some of you, I feel that this person feels that you have somebody else in your life and this person feels that what if, I think this person sees you talking to somebody else. This person sees you hanging out with somebody else. So this person has this feeling of jealousy. They get jealous when they see you with somebody else. So this person feels that you are talking to somebody else. I do see that this person, for some of you, I feel that maybe you're dating somebody who is immature. Either this person is younger to you, or this person could be somebody who is 50 or 40 but is like a child, like have a 18 years old heart. Could be elder but have a younger heart. This person could be immature. I do see an immature energy. Either they are very young, or this person must be 40, 50, doesn't matter, but they are like a child at heart. That is their energy, because we have pages here. This person loves you a lot, guys. This person loves you so much. Look at this. This person views you as a jewel. They cannot afford to lose you. This person wants to marry you, have a family with you. These are their feelings. Now let's see, how do you view this person as, and what are your feelings? Let's see what are your feelings. We'll see your feelings right now. Okay, I've got oh my god, look at this, 6 of Wands, 6 of Wands. You want the same. You want this person, guys. You want this person. This person is somebody you have literally cried over this person. Okay, this person is somebody you may have literally cried over this person. Just a sec, let me keep the cards up so that you can view all the cards. You have cried over this person. You have literally had anxiety, sleepless nights over this person. If this is your husband, wife, or you are in a long-term relationship with this person, then you have literally had a difficult phase. You know, you literally have prayed for this person. You know, you have literally prayed for this person. You have literally manifested this person in your life, back in your life. You know, you have done a lot for this person for sure. This is going to be a victory. If this person is back with you, this will be like a victory for you. 10 of Wands. See, I think you have done a lot for this person in the past, guys. You have literally done a lot. Yeah, this person was all that you ever thought of. This person has been your priority. You have invested a lot. It's like you don't have the same energy to do it for somebody else now. It's like you're drained emotionally, physically. You have done so much for this person. This person could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This person could be a Aries, Leo, Saggy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, these are the sun signs that are prominent here. Okay, Wands. Okay, I've got 2 cards exactly. Okay, done. So let's see. Bottom of the deck we have 4 of Pentacles. See, you know what guys, you feel, some of you, I feel that you're healing emotionally. You feel that this person has damaged you internally. It's like this person may have damaged your soul. This person has given you a tough time. This person may have hurt you, disrespected you. This person is somebody who may have ignored you, taken you for granted. You have had conflicts, you know. You sometimes feel that you guys are not compatible to each other. These are your feelings, okay? These are your feelings. You may have thought in the past that you just don't get along with each other and there's no point, you know. This person has always and always given you pain. Yeah. This person is somebody who could be breadcrumbing you in the past. It's like, you know, they come to you, they talk to you for a while, then they are gone for a week or 10 days, 15 days. Then they come back to see whether you are still available or not. This person is somebody who is in and out. It's like they come, check whether are you available, are you still single, are you still waiting for this person. The moment they know, yes, you are waiting, then they are gone again. They are gone again for 10 days, 5 days. You won't hear a message or call or text from this person. Then this person comes back. He or she, they check on you whether you're still available. Okay, that this person is somebody, I don't know why guys, I feel that this person was a narcissist. This person has changed. Of course, this person is a changed person today, but some of you are dealing with a person who has given you a tough time in the past. You have literally gone through a lot with this person. You have gone through a lot. But you know what guys, what has happened is, look at this, the Chariot here, the Chariot here. You feel like going back to this person. In spite of going through all this, you still want this person. I see that is your energy. Oh my god, look at this. 4 of Pentacles. Oh my god. 4 of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles and 4 of Swords. Oh my god, this is no joke guys. Look at this. These are their energy and these are your energies. You both are going through the same. I told you, some of you, for some of you, I feel that you definitely have somebody in your life, somebody new, and this could be a friend of yours and you're getting close to that person. This person knows it. This person sees that maybe you have a friend, you talk a lot, you hang out with, you know, deep down you're waiting for this person. You wait for this person and this person is very dear to you, okay? I don't think you guys are going to ever give up on this person, come what may. You are ready to take all that is required to be with this person, okay? That is your energy, Sagittarius. You're juggling, okay? Some of you are in this, see, look at this, you both are not in talking terms. So it is like, you know, you guys are in this, see, 2 of Cups. You guys are twin flame. You guys are on a twin flame journey. You have a karmic account with each other. That is why you fight, then you get back to each other. Then you fight, you get back to each other. It's like a circle, you know, you fight, then you come back, you fight, you come back. That's the thing. But it is a divine relationship, so I won't deny that, okay? You guys are in a strong karmic relationship, twin flame journey. It's a divine connection. So that is why universe brings you back. How much ever you go away from each other, you both will come back to each other. Okay, of course, I think some of you are in this energy where you are like, I don't care, I don't want this person anymore. Okay, you are still angry. I do see you very angry on this person. You don't want this person. You are in this place where you are like, hell with you, I don't care. You live, you die, I just don't care. But I feel that you still want this person. Deep down, you have so much love for this person. You're so possessive. You are so much, it's like you want this person. To make the entire story short, you just want this person, but you don't want to admit it because of the conflict that you have had with this person in the past. Okay, some of you, I think you're ready to go forward with this person. You are ready to message. I do see that, you know what has happened, both of you want to come and talk. They maybe this person wants to message you, you want to message them. Some of you are already talking to each other, okay, maybe you have already reconciled with each other. But for the others of you who are still in separation or in this place where you are hesitant, okay, there's this distance, I feel that you are in this energy where you are going to talk, okay. I do see action. So this person, for some of you, I think this person will send you a message. If even if you don't message them, I see you ready to talk to this person. I see you, some of you, I literally see you are ready to talk to this person. But even if you don't talk, you don't have to worry, this person will come back to you. You just have to wait. Even this person is like, if they don't get a message or call from you within next 5-10 days, okay, this person will come and talk to you. That's the energy. It's just that they will wait for the right time to initiate. For others of you, Saji, some of you, I feel that you're healing emotionally, okay, because you have had this terrible pain in the past, okay, with this person. You felt loss, maybe there was the separation, you have been through separation for 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, some of you, or 15 days, and you had this anxiety, restlessness. So you are healing internally. I do see healing, some of you, okay, maybe you are healing emotionally, physically, maybe you are not well. For some of you, this is healing because of this loss, okay. You are missing this person so much, so that you are in pain. And that's the same energy, your person is going through the same. Whatever this person has done to you is going through the same today, okay. Whatever energy I see you in today, this person is going through the same right now, okay. You both are mirroring each other. Some of you, I feel that Sagittarius, you have been single for a very long time. This is especially for singles, and could be that you are married to this person, could be you are dating this person, and you feel that you've just lost hope. You feel that you will never find true love, or you have this sense of feeling where you feel that you are very unlucky in love. But please don't think that, okay. You are going to find true love. You are destined to be or to have true love in your life. Could be this person, could be somebody else, but I do see you that you are going to have a happy life in future, okay, Sagittarius. So don't ever think that you will never find true love. Don't ever think that you have been unlucky. Don't ever think that you have been divorced once, twice. Doesn't matter. Life moves on. You will find true love, be it this person or be it somebody else. I do see somebody else also in your life, Sagittarius. Some of you, I feel that you have options. There's somebody else you may have met or you are talking to, okay. So this could be with this person or the other person. That depends on what choice you make. But see, look at this, 2 of Cups. It's so beautiful. You guys are going to come back. I don't know, for whoever this reading is, this person is very serious for you, okay. And you guys are going to come back to each other, reunite, and have a good future. You see, you guys are going to, some of you, I think you will get married within the next 1 year, 6 months. You're going to get married, have a happy family, because this person this time is coming up with a strong commitment, okay. They are not in this, and I see marriage, you want marriage, and this person is somebody who don't want to waste any more time, okay. So if you have reached the right age, this person is going to directly marry you. They cannot lose you again. That's their energy, okay. This person has a lot of passion for you. You both have a lot of passion for each other. Look at this. But I still feel, guys, some of you are still going to be in this energy, blocking, unblocking, and this is just temporary. Don't worry. Even if this happens again, blocking, unblocking, in and out, just don't panic, because it's all temporary. Because this person loves you truly, okay. It's true love. So you guys, you will come back together. How much ever you fight, you will still be together, okay. That is the kind of love this person does to you, okay. And this is mutual. You too love this person equally. Of course, you have a choice. I do see you have a choice, Sagittarius. This person has made up their mind. They are going to leave somebody else to be with you. I don't see a strong third party in this relationship, but even if they were talking to somebody else or they were getting attracted to somebody else, this person has withdrawn from that person, and this person is coming to you. They're very serious about you. Let's see what are their feelings towards you, Sagittarius. We'll see what are their feelings towards you. See what are their feelings towards you. I get healed by just being near you. Look at this. This person feels that, you're so divine or you're so pure that they feel nice being with you. They get healed. emotionally. The relationship happened so easily with the other person, it wasn't so complicated. Okay, this person feels that relationship with you has been very complicated, and this is challenging. They find this relationship with you very challenging. It's like they have got everything easy in the past with other people, but relationship with you has been so divine, that they feel that this is very different. They feel a divine connection with you. Past is past, let it fly. See, this person is like, just forget, let's forget the past and let's come back together. That's their energy. Let's see what else. I fear someone manipulating. Didn't I just say this person feels that there's somebody else in your life you're trying to get close to, or this person is somebody who is trying hard to get you? This person fears losing you. This person fears maybe that there's somebody else who is manipulating you. Okay, that could be the thing. Staying away from you made me realize that this is not codependency, this is love. I told you, this person has realized your value after being away from you. Okay, let's see. You respect my decision. I think I told you, you guys have kept this person as a priority. This person is a world to you. So whatever they say, you agree. So this person knows that you respect them a lot. You respect their decision, whatever it is. You don't know the real me. So this person has not shown you their real side yet. So whoever you're dealing with, guys, this person is, maybe you feel that this person is arrogant, but maybe they are not. You feel that this person is, they try to put up a mask when you are there. Maybe because this person was not comfortable in the past. This person feels that you don't know the real them, whoever they are. They were hiding, their true selves. Why have you blocked me? See, some of you, I think you may have blocked this person, and that I see here also with this. Where did this card go? I had this card here somewhere, I don't know. Yeah, so you guys may have blocked this person. Okay, so they are asking you why. I fear getting hurt again. That's the only thing that's keeping me away from you. See, I told you this person has got their karma. This person was getting close to somebody else, and this person, that person has hurt this person, or they have realized, whatever, this person has realized your importance and they don't want to get hurt again. So that is why this person this time is very fearful of the fact that what if you reject them, or what if they propose you and you are like, no, I've moved on. They don't want to hear all that stuff from you right now. This person is like, they don't want to get hurt again. So this person is going to be very wise before they come forward and put the proposal to you. This person is going to make sure that you love them. I'm offering you something real. I told you this person is going to come with a real offer. This person is serious, guys, very serious. See, I told you, you guys may have blocked them. That has come here. So that was that. So let's see. Let's see what are they feeling towards you. What are their energies? Okay. Vanity. See, this is somebody who may be seeking guidance from people around them. Could be your person is talking to somebody else. This person may be talking to their family members, or they may be talking to somebody else about you. That could be there. We'll see what. Okay. Expansion. See, this person is now ready to come and give you the offer. This person is ready to talk to their parents, to talk to your parents. In some cases, if you're married, this person wants to have a child. This person wants to have a child. If you're married to this person. One more card. Trickery. See, I told you this person is somebody who doesn't want to get hurt again. I told you, I have got this again. So this person is very fearful of the fact that what if they give you their 100% and you disown them, or you leave them tomorrow. They don't want to get played by you. So this person is going to be very careful this time. They don't want to get hurt again. In short, okay, this person has been fooled before in the past with somebody else. This person doesn't want to get hurt again. Okay, so this person is going to be very cautious this time. Let's see what are your feelings. We'll see what are your feelings. We'll see your feelings, Sagittarius. Okay, I've got this. dissipating. Some of you, you are really worried about, your age. You feel that I have become 30, I have become 40, 50, 60, and I've still not found my true love. I am a mother of a child, I still have not found true love. I'm a father of a child, I still have not found my true love. So you have this age worries. At the same time, you are like, when will I find true love? You feel that maybe you have had failed marriage in the past, maybe you have been single all life and you have still not found. Maybe you are in 30s, 35, whatever, 40, and you are like, when will I find true love? I have already reached an age. So you're really worried about that. Do not worry, guys, do not worry. We have the 6 of Wands here with you. It will happen, but let it happen at the divine timing, because it's a general reading, different for different of you. So you will find true love, but it will happen at the right time, okay, divine time. So timings are different for different people, so you'll have to have patience, okay. Let's see your energies. Okay, I've got 2 cards together. Perfection and gossip. Could be that there is somebody around you, they gossip a lot about you and you don't like it. There is somebody who gossips a lot in your family. This could be a friend of yours. They are gossiping about you. You fear that, everybody in the family gossips about me. They keep telling, when are you going to get married, when are you going to get married, and that puts you off. Okay, that puts you off. You are like, why can't people let me be happy? Why can't people let me be single and be happy? Why are they putting pressure on me? So I think you guys are feeling that people around you, they gossip about you a lot, and that is something that is giving you pain. Okay, you feel what you are like in this energy. What will this person say? What will this person think? What will they think? What will this just don't be there, guys. Just don't be there. People don't matter. Okay, people don't matter. What matters is you, your independence, your family, your immediate parents, your children, your husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend. People don't matter. Okay, just wait, have faith, you'll find your true love. Okay, some of you, you are literally seeking perfection. It's like you have some expectations of an idealistic spouse. You want all the 100 qualities or all 10 qualities in a person. Okay, so don't be rigid when it comes to getting married or to date a person. Don't be rigid that you want all 10 qualities in the same person. It cannot happen that way, or it may happen sometimes but not all the times. So you may have to compromise here and there. So be a bit flexible. Don't be rigid about the fact that you want to have all 10 qualities in your person. You may not find that, or you may find also. I'm not saying no, but not for everybody. Sometimes you may have to compromise somewhere. Maybe that person is younger to you, elder to you, less rich, more rich, or maybe this person is married, maybe they are a single parent, or whatever. But if you find true love, don't seek perfection in that person. Okay, you have to be a bit flexible. What is important, true love or the qualities? Okay, there, sometimes, guys, I have seen that you find a person who is flawed. They may have 3 flaws or 4 flaws, but then that person will love you so much that nobody else can replace that love. So if you want true love, you have to be flexible. Don't be rigid. Okay, and don't worry about that you're growing old or time is just going by. You have not found your true love, you have not found your true soulmate. Don't worry. Okay, you will find. It is going to happen. Bottom of the deck, self-worth. Some of you, are being asked to put yourself first. You're worth much more. Know your value. Don't let people treat you like a doormat. Stand up for your own self. You have so many talents, you have so many qualities. Don't let people play you. Let's see any guidance. If we have any guidance for you, Sagittarius, we'll see what guidance do we have for my Saggy. Let me see what guidance do we have for my Okay. No. Some of you, you may be seeking answers for something. I don't know what is it. It could be anything. So this is a divine guidance that I have. The message is no. Now you may be seeking for some answers in your real life, Sagittarius. It could be, should I join a new job? Is this person right? Is that person right? As I said, you may have options. maybe you're seeking guidance, I don't know, but this is one message, no. So you will have to relate it to your own story, because it's different for different of you. There's one message that you have, no. If you're seeking for a guidance, this is the message, no. Okay, I don't know, this could be anything, because it's a general reading, different for different of you. But follow your heart, follow your intuition. This is for something and this is for you, no. Okay, I don't know for what is this. Let's see any other message for my Saji. We'll see any guidance from the angels. Okay, I've got some cards. Look for a sign. Okay, some of you, I think you have to look for a sign. You're seeking for some clarity in your life. Look for a sign. You will get guidance, you will get clarity automatically. Oh my God, no, again, there is something that is for sure, guys. I've got no twice. I don't know, some of you're literally seeking for some answers in your life, and I'm getting no twice. This is no joke. So follow your heart. There is something that you want to know. Maybe you are asking God, is it a yes, is it a no? And I'm getting no twice. So be careful and you can meditate and find out for what is this no, okay? Because it's a collective reading, different for different of you, but no twice. So hey, this is a sign. Maybe this is a sign for some of you. So look within. And the last card, not the right time. Maybe some of you, you are wanting to do something, you're seeking, you want to do something or something, I don't know, not the right time. Could be anything. That's the message, not the right time. Look for a sign, and I've got 2 no. So yes, maybe you want to do something, or you want to, I don't know, you want to go somewhere, you're confused between 2 people, and there is one, I don't know for what is what, but I'm getting no twice. So definitely, guys, this is some sign that you're getting through this reading, okay? So that was that, Sagittarius. I really hope you liked my readings, you enjoyed, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate, okay? So that was that. You guys take care, be safe, bye.